proposed the Umlyngka water supply scheme amounting to about 12 plus crores. I can't exactly remember, 12.5 or 13 crores. And this was again under the NIDA scheme, which is under NABARD. And this project, because of certain guidelines from the Finance Ministry, Government of India, we are not able to take the project forward immediately. So there are some challenges because of which we were not able to get the sanction for the Umlyngka water supply scheme under NIDA. But after the discussion we had with the Honorable Minister and your local MLA, and also discussions on how we could move forward, I'm happy to inform you that about a month back, I had a meeting with the PHA department. And we asked for all the locations that are not municipal areas and yet are not able to get the JJM requirements so that they can be included in JJM. So about 14, 15 or close to about 20 such locations had come up in the list, including Umlyngka, because it comes under census town. And after detailed discussion, we took a decision that we will move the Government of India to allow non-municipal areas, including census towns, to be included under JJM. Necessary meeting was held at the Chief Secretary's level. This decision was endorsed. Accordingly, documents were sent. And just last week, I had a meeting, you must have seen on my Facebook page. I had a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Jal Shakti, under which JJM comes in. And I am happy to inform you that not only Umlyngka, but all the other census towns that were earlier not included in JJM will now be included in JJM. So we will have the water supply, not just for Umlyngka, but for all the other census towns also. So this is a great news for all of us, and especially for the people who were neither here, neither there. So you were not getting the schemes from the rural development also because of, and JJM because of guidelines, and yet you were not coming under the other schemes like Amrut and urban supply schemes, and you were not getting, you were stuck in limbo, as they say. But now that these clarifications and clarity is coming in, we will be able to, as I said, we will be rather, already decision has been made and communicated to Delhi, and Delhi has also agreed, the Honorable Minister has agreed, and we will be having the Umlyngka water supply scheme very soon. I hope that we'll be able to start the process. I'll discuss with Honorable MLA, and hopefully we'll be able to start the process of implementation also very, very soon.